I honestly think I found something that can go against the iPad 10th gen. Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Everything Track, back at it again, back with another video. And today I've just bought me a tablet, and what I just got me the Lenovo Tab P11 2nd gen. This just came out this year, and I want to do an unboxing for you all. Just to give a little backstory, I bought a laptop, a brand new laptop. The other one was kind of obsolete. I got this one for video editing, but I ended up somehow using it for school, even though that was never the case. So what I did today, while I'm in summer school, I went ahead and bought me a tablet. I'm gonna get me a keyboard. Now this is the Lenovo Tab P11 2nd gen, but this one does not have the pen. There was a guy on YouTube that did a review that had the pen. This one does not come with the pen. And just to clarify, this is originally $289, but I got it at Best Buy for $269. And then if you go to Lenovo.com itself, you can get it for $256, and it has 10% off. And then you can do the IDme.com if you're a first responder or a teacher or anything of that sort. And I was able to get it all the way down to $219, but unfortunately I had got on Best Buy first before I figured it out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and look on the sides and look what we have. And again, it's just came out this year. On the back right here is Android. I believe it's Android 12 coming out the box. We're going to see Dolby Atmos. It has 11.5 2K LCD display, octa-core processor, quad speakers, support for 2-in-1 keyboard pack, and that's the reason I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna be able to do my schoolwork on here instead of my laptop, and support for a Precision Pen 2 2023. So I'm gonna assume this one is not the one that has the pen with it by default. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open it. Once you take out the paper, you're gonna be able to slide the box, but you're gonna have to take off these little tabs first. Once you're taking off both of the tabs on the bottom and top of the package, you're gonna be able to slide it right off. And once slid off, you're greeted with the tablet itself. There's a pull tab right here. You're gonna go ahead and pull it. All right, so we're gonna put that to the side and let's check out what's in the box itself. We have a charging cable. We have USB type A to USB type C. We have the charging block. You're greeted with a SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide to let you know right here, this is the 2nd gen Lenovo Tab P11 2nd gen. This is all that you get inside of the box. So now we have the tablet. You can go ahead and unwrap it, or you can just slide it on out like so. Oh man, this feels pretty good. All right, so I held one before, but it was the 1st gen. So this is the front. So you can see, it's gonna be hard for you to see, but there is a camera right there. Pretty nice screen. I'm able to grab it with one hand. So this tablet, even though it is 11.5 inches long, if you have a hand like me, you can grab it like this. I can't palm a basketball, so it's probably not too fair, but just know it's possible. You have the Lenovo icon, just like my laptop up there. I have a Lenovo laptop. That's the reason I bought a Lenovo tablet. Right there it says Dolby Atmos and just some stuff down there. And right here is the camera. And if you can see, it does say 13 megapixels. So this is a 13 megapixel camera. On the bottom right here, we do have the speakers, 1, 2 on the bottom, along with the charging port. And to point out, you do have a headphone jack as well, so that's useful. So let's go ahead and power this on. So right here is the connector for the keyboard. You ever get a keyboard or anything like that, this is what you would connect it to. So make sure you look for that. And on the top, you can put I believe you can put a micro SD card in here as well. But I just want you all to know this tablet does feel pretty good. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Now it's turned on, you agree to a hi there. It's gonna have you set it up. You're gonna start and you're gonna go on from there. So that's the unboxing for the Lenovo P11 Gen 2. So if you want me to do a review on it, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you all in a couple of months and I'll test it out and let you know how it is. Besides that, again, I'm gonna have the links in the description box below, and I will see y'all later. All right, peace.